Iowa house. For those that may know me, I want to tell you a little bit about my family that don't know me. I have a rich heritage in this state of the Judge family. See, we came here in 1855, United States, through New York, like many do, and worked our way out here, down the Ohio River to St. Louis, up to Missouri, and got off in Bedford at Taylor County. Started farming there. They were farmers. See, they're Irish Catholic. The year is 1865. If you know history in that part of the country, the clear furthest part of southwest Iowa, especially on the western border of Missouri, is very tumultuous times. And in the Civil War, there was a lot of animosity. And they were bringing a priest in, my great-great-grandfather's brother, Kenan Judge, from Georgetown. He's bringing a priest in to say Mass on Sundays. And the whole community started getting upset with these Irish Catholics that talked differently, that acted differently, that worshiped differently. And there was rumors. They didn't want them. They were not welcome. And they started talking about moving. They were afraid. So they decided to move. In 1865, at a farm sale. And during that farm sale, my cousin was shot and killed because of his faith. So I tell you about my rich heritage. My parents, my grandparents told me this story. When I was a little kid, undertaken, quite frankly. And I didn't really know what to think of it then. But my grandpa said, step up when it's your turn. And I didn't know. A lot of things he said I didn't know. The family moved in the middle of the night. They picked up their belongings and moved to a little part of the state called Georgetown, Iowa. Many of you know where it's at. Drive by. It's a sandstone Catholic church that my family helped build. And it stands today. Their names are on the windows, and they're buried across the street. You may want to know why I bring this up. Because I had constituents this week, multiple emails from constituents in my district that asked me to vote no on this bill. They were heartfelt emails. They weren't the form ones that you get over and over and over again. These were heartfelt emails that I read and responded to. They used the words afraid. They used the words not welcome. And they also used the words like consider rude. So what you're doing is not right. This bill takes gender identity out of civil rights. And it takes away housing rights. You just have to read it. Employment rights and credit rights, civil rights of these folks. See, I don't claim to be an attorney. I don't act like one. And I don't need one to tell me what's right and wrong. I know it like that. I know this is wrong. We're talking about fellow Iowans here. We get so caught up in the minutia and talk about this lawsuit or that lawsuit, who's going to do this and who's going to do that. We're talking about Iowans. See, I was raised to look for the good in people. You know, if you look for the good in people, I don't judge a person's heart versus deed. Many of you know me. I'm good friends with a lot of people in here. I don't look at you like that. I don't look at you gay or straight. I don't think about any of that stuff. I just look at you as a person. See, if you look for good, you'll find it. And if you look for hate, it'll live in your heart. So I'm proud to stand up here against this bill. And I'm proud my grandpa said, step up when it's your turn. I know he will.